matter.
Okay, but you always do this. Like, why do you always do that?
Okay, please don't. Like, seriously,
Like,
today's really not the day. Today is really not the day.
You're literally always the reason why we're late.
But you got it. Ain't you ever seen a princess be a bad bitch?
We have a couple of errands to run, and by we, I'm talking about my sister and I.
Dude, who else?
So, for those of you who don't know, my sister was staying with me for a little bit until her apartment was ready. So, like, she has my place looking like a complete mess. Her apartment's gonna be ready tomorrow, thank God, right?
She's gonna miss me.
Not really. Bro, you ready?
No, it's gonna take forever. I just want a shirt. Like a blue shirt. How do I not?
Do you even own a blue shirt?
Yeah.
We're always late because of my sister. Never fails. There have been a couple of times where I just like literally left her.
Dude, I literally had a blue shirt.
So while I'm waiting for my sister to get ready, she always takes forever. So in my last vlog, I did mention that I was having some issues with my skin and my acne. And a lot of you guys were asking like what I was using, and it was Curology. After I told them like, you know, the issues I was having with my skin after I was using it for X amount of time, they wanted to change the formula. And by then I was kind of like already traumatized. I just didn't want to go through that experience again, so I just like canceled my membership. However, I have been doing some research on oils for oily skin to help balance, you know, my oil production. And one of the oils that I have been using is Moroccan Oil. I just started using this a couple of days ago. I've been oil cleansing with this, and I've been putting it on at night and in the morning. So far, it's been making my skin actually really, really soft. I haven't noticed a difference as far as like oil production with my face yet, because I've only been using it for 2 days. So we'll see how that works in a week. But I think this is gonna work. Like, I really do think it's gonna work. But yeah, Argan Moroccan Oil. It's 100% organic argan oil from Morocco, and I will keep you guys updated on what it does to my face, you know, if it clears it up. I'll make sure I link down below where you can purchase this. Dude, like, you're taking so long.
Dude, I'm trying to figure out my curls. Like, this is no bueno.
Okay, but dude, we were supposed to leave like an hour ago.
Okay, but look, does this look good? Does this look good?
No.
Oh,
Bro,
let me see.
you always make us late.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Okay, I was joking. It looks good. Let me tell you guys something that annoys me that my sister does. I literally have hooks.
She loves me.
Behind this door. I literally have hooks behind this door, but she hangs her towels on the door. So when I'm rushing in the bathroom to do whatever it is I gotta do,
Like what?
and I need to close the door, I can't close it because there's a goddamn towel on the freaking door. When are you moving again?
Never. I changed my mind. Man, what is wrong with you?
Dude, hurry up.
Dude, can you like not right now? Like, my hair is ridiculous.
Okay, like who cares? Like, you literally told me to wake up and then you're not even ready.
Okay, because I have to get ready. Like, that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay, but like we've been getting ready for like 2 hours now.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
Okay, but you always do this. Like, why do you always do that?
Okay, please don't. Like, seriously.
Like,
Today's
this
really
is
not
really
the day.
annoying.
Today is really not the day.
You're literally always the reason why we're late.
Okay, but you can leave if you want. Like, you don't have to go. You can go. Like, on.
That didn't even make sense.
You don't have to go with me. You can go on with your life and do whatever the heck you
You're
want
so
to do.
annoying.
No, you're annoying. I'm over here trying to get my life on fleek, and you're trying to stop that? What's wrong with you? You crazy? It's just me.
Okay, I'm vlogging. Hold the door.
See, guys, I'm on fleek. You think I just wake up like this? I mean, like, kind of do, but, you know, I just have to... I'm tripping.
What? So right now I'm following my sister in my car, and we're going to meet up at Walmart, and I'm gonna get in her car, and then we're gonna go run errands. My sister and I do fight a lot. It's actually like really annoying. It's actually putting a strain on our relationship. I'm not gonna lie, like I thought that her like staying with me for the little bit of time that she did would have brought us closer, but I feel like it kind of put a little strain in our relationship. And she did suggest to me, like she was like, yo, I think we should go see a therapist because, you know, you're obviously the most important person in my life and I don't want, you know, this like back and forth that we are constantly having to kind of like build and build and build into this, you know, thing that is kind of irreversible to where we don't want to talk to each other. Because when I hear about siblings who don't speak to each other at all or don't have a relationship at all, it actually really breaks my heart because my sister and I are so close. But lately we have been like, I guess not as close as we usually are. When she, you know, suggested that to me, I kind of like brushed it off. I'm like, girl, like we don't need no goddamn therapist. Like who the fuck, like, you know what I mean? But now I'm starting to see that we might need one because one of our biggest things is like we don't know how to communicate with one another. It's like I would say something and she'd get offended. The way she would get offended, she would be like, oh, well, I felt this way because you said it like this. And I'm like, I didn't mean it that way. And she just doesn't receive that. She just always thinks I'm coming for her when I'm trying to like tell her something. And I guess vice versa, maybe. I don't know. Sometimes she'll say something to me and I'm like, who do you think you're talking to like that? Like, no, you can't tell me like how to do this or whatever. And then she'll literally be like, oh, well, I didn't mean it like that. I'm just trying to tell you something. I don't know, maybe we need to work on how we speak to one another, or maybe we just need to like have a better understanding of, you know, how we communicate with one another. I'm not sure, but something needs to happen. What is this?
Oh, those are my dentures.
For those of you guys who don't know, my sister is, well, you just graduated.
Yeah.
What are you?
A dental student. Well, dental graduate. She's in the basement.
I can't come to your office?
I'm the plug.
Yeah, she's the plug. She's the dental plug. Bro, my sister has always been the plug. She used to work at Nike factory, so she was the Nike plug. And then she worked at Macy's, so she was like the Macy's plug. And then she worked at Foot Locker, so she was like the Foot Locker plug.
What else?
Oh, she worked at H&M, so she was the H&M plug.
Don't forget the big M.
The big M.
Marriott.
Oh yeah, and she worked for Marriott Hotel, so she was like the hotel plug. So when I was in the car, I was like telling them how we fight so much. And we have like communication issues.
We fight? No, you fight with yourself. I just sit and listen.
She's lying.
So we're at my sister's job. Why'd you tell me my necklace was backwards? Your necklace is backwards.
Hold on, wait. Did you encounter? Okay, so this is my self-assessment.
Look at that pimple.
Can you not?
Dude, I'm hungry.
Marie, what are you doing?
What are
The
you?
driver's side is that way.
I'm not driving.
Ugh. What do you think we should eat?
Alright, either Chipotle or Burger King.
But you think we have time for Chipotle?
That's up to you.
I still work at like
4?
4. I gotta take you to your car.
And it's 2:11.
No, we're not gonna have time for that, honestly.
Really?
We're really not.
How long does it take you to get to?
Like a while. Look, Miriam, have a great day. You know? It's this is so cute. I'm excited.
My sister knows how I feel about her apartment, so
She doesn't like it.
I don't really like it.
Okay,
but
my thing is that.
Well,
first of all-
honestly, it's not the apartment. It's actually the area. Like, I think.
Yeah, it's the area.
Like, the apartment's cute. It's just like, I wish you were just a little bit more like, I don't know. But whatever.
I don't care.
If you
I'm
like
just
it.
happy. It's my own first apartment. Like, I'm excited. What the freak? Dude, I could be living in a box. It's my own first box. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, bro.
What? You didn't even see. Finesse Muriel.
Mom, I can honk anytime I want. This is my car. So
She literally honks anyone.
you can tuck and roll if it's a problem.
It's so annoying.
Oh, is it? Go. Oh, come on, bro. Oh my god.
Hurry up!
Hurry up.
So I got a veggie bowl with some guac,
And I didn't.
and she got meat.
This is how you walk with a bag of Chipotle. Yeah. Yes. Chipotle.
Is this the Jesus place?
Yeah, but they shut it down because y'all don't want to go to church.
Oh my, they shut down Holy Land?
Yeah.
I never even went.
Exactly. That's why they shut that bitch down. You didn't go.
I can't believe they shut down Holy Land. Are you sure they shut it down for good or
No,
like?
they shut it down. We just gotta wait till we go to heaven.
Bye, ugly.
Definitely not.
Have a good day at work.
Wait. I want to say bye to my viewers.
Your viewers. This is going on my channel.
All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. What's my channel name? Jess MJ. All right, the link is in the description.
So I just got home. My sister went to work. In my last vlog, I did mention like briefly that I had gained like 10 pounds. I don't know, I've honestly been like super duper stressed this past month, and I'm the kind of person who like gains weight from like a lot of stress. I haven't even been eating like, you know, nasty. I actually eat pretty clean, but I think just the stress just has my cortisol levels like so high. I don't know. So I need to seriously like bring my stress down. I need to start working out again. I haven't had time because I've been like dealing with so many issues. Like I have to move, and I've been dealing with a couple of legal issues, and it's just, you guys are gonna hear about it. I just can't really speak on that right now. Well, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Make sure you guys leave a comment on this video. It could be a heart, it could be a smiley face, it could be a vomit face. I don't care, just leave a comment down below, and make sure you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like 80% of my viewers are not subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.